What's good guys, and welcome back to my channel, where today we're talking lenses, and in particular one of the cheapest vintage lenses you can get in the market.
Perfect.
This is the Helios 44M. It's a Soviet Union made lens with a focal length of 58mm and an aperture that opens up to f.2, giving it a great shallow depth of field in the photographs it lets you take. The build quality of this lens is amazing. It's fully made of metal, not just some cheap plastic, so it feels great and robust. There are many reasons why the Helios is so popular, one of the main being the price point. Now I picked this up for about £35, and it goes from between probably about 30 to about £50 on eBay. You can also get it on Amazon. Just be aware though, you do have to buy an additional adapter to make sure it goes onto your lens. So the one that I bought was an M42 mount, so I had to buy the adapter, which was about £11–12 off Amazon. I'll leave a link for that in the description. So this just screws onto the end of the lens here like this, and then that end fits your camera. The second reason, and probably the biggest reason why this lens is so popular, is because of the bokeh effect that it gives off. Now you may be wondering, what is bokeh? Basically, what bokeh is in the background of photos when you have the swirly effect with lights where it's sort of blurred out little blobs. I'll put some examples here. So this just allows photographers to get really creative with their photos, and it just gives a great effect and makes it look so much nicer. So to achieve that effect, it's down to the shallow depth of field and the f2 aperture. As a beginner, I would highly recommend this lens because it's just such a cheap lens, and it allows you to be really creative, which is great when starting out photography. Just such an all-round lens. You can use it for portraits, you can use it for product photography, you can use it for landscapes, you can use it for nature, you can use it for pretty much anything. Now the only real cons of this lens is that sometimes you don't always get the most tack sharp photos, but when you're starting out, it's all about going out and getting practice, and for such a good price, that's why this is my #1 vintage lens for beginners. Hope you enjoyed today's video and it was useful, and hopefully you do go and get this lens and give it a try. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next.